This is a quick tutorial on how you can install the ESP32 and the Node MCU boards on the Arduino IDE. So first, let's open the Arduino IDE. From the Files menu, go to the Preferences section. Under Additional Boards Manager, copy and paste this link. I've included this link in the description, and then press OK. Now from the Tools menu, go to the Boards and then Boards Manager section. Here, search for the ESP32 boards and click on Install. You can see the ESP32 board is now installed. The process is the same. To download the ESP826's board, go to File, Preferences, and in the Additional Boards Manager, paste another link separated by a comma and click OK. Now go to the Tools menu and from the board and under the Boards Manager, search for ESP again. And to download the ESP8266 board, just click on Install. If you want to install both these boards on the new Arduino IDE, which is the Arduino IDE 2.0, then open the new IDE and follow the same steps exactly as they are. Go to File, Preferences, and in the Additional Boards Manager, paste both the links. You can paste both the links together separated by a comma and click on OK. And from the Boards Manager, search for ESP and you can install the ESP32 and the ESP8266 boards from here by clicking on Install. Now that you have both these boards installed on your Arduino IDE, go ahead and create some amazing projects with them.